What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, hello, my name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So today's video is going to be my monthly favorites for the month of July. And I don't have that many products this month, which is a good thing because this video won't be long AF like it usually is. Plus, there's going to be a mini giveaway at the end too, so make sure you watch the entire video to see what the giveaway prizes are. There's going to be multiple winners, so keep that in mind. Alright, let's just get right into it. If you do like this video, please let me and YouTube know by giving it a thumbs up, and I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Alright, I'm going to start with, let's do hair. I have a couple hair things. So the first product is this Orb Super Shine Moisturizing Cream, and it says nothing. So I love this brand, but their products are hella expensive. However, I have found that you can find them, not all of them, but some of them on Amazon for a lot cheaper than they really are. I got it on Amazon for $18, but I just love this product. So it says it's a luxe reinvention of leave-in conditioner. The Supreme Cream satisfies the thirstiest hair, calming frizz, elevating shine, and restoring hair to supernatural softness. Provides conditioning with heat protection. Oh, I didn't know that. Sleekens split ends and tames frizz. High gloss leave-in conditioner that evens out moisture level in hair. Yes, I love this. Okay, my next hair care item is this curling iron. So I had one similar to this. It was by Kiss, but I got it like a long time ago. And I saw this on Amazon and I was like, I wonder if it would work as well as the Kiss one. So this is the 1-inch automatic curling iron wand, rotating barrel curling wand. So it has 4 different heat settings. You can do 325, 360, 395, or 430. So what you do is you take a little piece of hair and you put it in here, and then depending on which, oh, it's not gonna, oh wait, here we go. And then what I really like is it beeps. It does like 3 different beeps. There's one for like the lightest curl. There's a second one, and then it'll do a third one. It's not gonna curl this well because it's fake hair, but my real hair, this does an amazing job. So I got this on Amazon and it was $34.99, which I think is really good because the Kiss one that I had, I bought it and it was like $75, I believe. Okay. Next, let's go to skincare. So first I have this, I don't know if you say 111 skin or 111 skin. This is the Rose Gold Radiance Booster. So I have been mixing this in with my moisturizer, and it does say mix 1 to 2 drops in the palm of your hand with your favorite moisturizer or apply directly to skin after cleansing. It just makes my moisturizer feel like kind of silky and gives me a little bit of extra hydration plus a little bit of glow. So let me see, you're not going to be able to see because it's going to run down, but oh, feels so good. And it's not like an oil, it's oil-like, but it's not an oil. I'm not the biggest fan of oils, even though I should be because I have dry skin, but yeah, I have really been loving this. I think I found like my new holy grail face cleanser. But it is the First Aid Beauty Gentle Foaming Face Cleanser. So, let me read it. It's an ultra gentle self-foaming cleanser, perfect for all skin types. The oil-free pH balanced formula includes a mild apple-derived amino acid, a natural cleansing agent, and skin-soothing ingredients, colloidal oatmeal, aloe, and bisabola. Anyways, I swear this feels like pure silk going on. And I'll use a makeup melting balm to remove my makeup, but then I'll use some sort of cleanser afterwards to double cleanse. And this, I don't want to say it's a light cleanser. I mean, it is a light cleanser, but I feel like it would remove makeup better than some of the other light cleansers I typically use. For example, Purity Face Wash. I am not even doing this justice, but when I tried this, I was like, holy shit, I have not been impressed by a face cleanser in a long time. And I love First Aid Beauty products as it is. If you're someone who has extremely dry skin and you haven't tried their repair cream, you need it in your life. Alright, next is kind of random, but it is a perfume. This is the Tory Burch Love Relentlessly perfume. I got a sample of this, I don't know how long ago. I want to say like maybe 1 or 2 years ago. And ever since then, I wanted to get it. And I finally just bit the bullet and got it. And I'm going to give you guys a little tip. I buy my perfumes from eBay because they will have perfumes on there that were supposed to be testers. They're brand new in a box, but because they were supposed to be testers, you can buy it for a lot cheaper. I believe I got this for $45 and it's 1.7 ounces. So let me tell you the notes and everything. Yeah, so on Ulta for 1.7 ounces, it's $92 and I got it for $45. Irresistible, spicy, fruity scent that's like a fragrant love letter. A sparkling mix, fiery pink pepper, dewy rose, and orris evoke excitement and reveal the warmth of patchouli and amber tonic to perfectly blend the classic with the modern. Made for optimistic days and romantic nights. Okay, now let's get into some makeup. Where to start? Alright, first, this Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer, and this is the Illuminating Primer. I did get this in BoxyCharm, and I love this. It is such a beautiful illuminating primer. It's hydrating, and not only is it illuminating, but it does blur your pores. So here's what it looks like, and it does a great job of prolonging the wear of my foundation. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. It's illuminating, but it's not like overwhelming. The next one, however, if you're going for really illuminating, this is what you want to go for. This is the Iconic London Radiance Booster, and it is in Shell Glow. There's actually 10 different shades. Yeah, I got Shell Glow, which is ivory. So it's a multifunctional sheer full face base that gives skin a luminous underglow or a subtle highlight. So it's Iconic London's first ever full face base glow giver that combines filter-like properties for selfie-worthy skin. So let me show you this. It has a little pump. It actually looks very similar to the Laura Mercier. This is a thicker consistency, and I've been using this as a primer. Can we talk about illuminating? Can you see that? I don't know if you can, man. But it is gorgeous. Oh, I have just really been loving it. Put some on my face so maybe you guys can see it a little better. Okay, next is this Marc Jacobs Lifting and Volumizing Mascara. I got this in some box, I don't remember, but I love this. If we're comparing it to like the Velvet Noir, this is, I would say this is more lengthening, whereas the Velvet Noir is more volumizing. Here is the brush, but it's, Marc Jacobs just makes amazing mascaras. I don't know what else I can say about it. Okay, next is this Barbie and ColourPop Malibu Barbie eyeshadow palette. Oh, look at this. I have been using this quite a bit. I haven't used the matte blue yet, but you can easily do like a brown smoky eye. You can do a pink look, you can do a blue look. I just am in love with this palette right now. I love this shimmer blue, Surf's Up. Look at that. Let me do another one. I've really been liking Cali Girl, which is right here. It's kind of like a champagne gold. Oh, so gorgeous. Okay, next is a product that I have been wanting to get for the longest time, but I could just not bring myself to pay that much money for a foundation. I say that, but I've paid that price for other foundations, so I don't know. I finally, I'm like, I just have to try this, and it is the Dior Air Flash Spray Foundation. Water resistant 12-hour wear. Damn, this foundation is everything. I mean, I had heard good things about it on YouTube and different videos, but I had no idea just how amazing it really is. So one of the things I was concerned about, and kind of, I guess, why I didn't buy it was because I was afraid that I would get it like all over my hair or my clothes or whatever. But what I've been doing is I'll spray it on my brush and then buff it out, and then I'll spray a little bit, and it literally looks like your skin is airbrushed, and it is a radiant finish. It is so gorgeous. I can't even stress that enough. All right, next is this e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. I've been wanting to get a cream bronzer, and I was looking at some of the more expensive ones, and I'm like, you know what, let me try the e.l.f. one, and I love it. I've been really into cream products recently. Oh, this one is in tan lines. Okay. It's a very nice neutral color. And I think it's like maybe $6. I have just a couple things that are not makeup or beauty related. Alright, so the first one, oh my gosh, I think this is one of the coolest things that I've found on Amazon in a while. Okay, so if you guys have been watching me for a while, you know I'm a nurse. I work night shift. I work 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. So I'm sleeping during the day, which can be hard to do. So I'll usually listen to like a guided sleep meditation on YouTube, or I'll listen to an audiobook. But, okay, this may look like a typical sleep mask, but there are speakers right here, and it connects to my phone through Bluetooth. So I'll put it on. So I have, not only do I have an eye mask, but then I can have my sleep meditation or audiobook right in my ears, because the sleep meditation is supposed to work better if you use headphones, but I don't want to fall asleep with headphones in. It's just not very comfortable. But this, oh my god, it is genius. They have this one, the face mask, but they also have one that just kind of wraps around your forehead if you don't want the eye mask. Alright, next, are you guys ready for this? Okay. So, another thing, if you guys have been around for a minute, you know I suffer from chronic back pain, and I cannot wear shoes that have a heel that's like any higher than 3 inches, and it can be really challenging to find like trendy shoes with a low heel, but I can find some. Can we talk about these silver glitter thigh-high boots? I am dying, and look at the heel. Oh. As soon as I got these and tried them on, they were super comfortable. I immediately bought them in pink. And if they had my size in gold, I probably would have bought the gold ones too. So I got these from Amazon. Here are the pink ones. Oh. And they do have other colors, they just don't have them in my size. They have gold, they have green, they have purple, and then silver. So these were $45.99, which I don't think is bad for how freaking bomb these boots are. Okay, so those are all my favorites for the month of July. So I'm just going to do a mini giveaway of my handmade makeup brush cleaner. So I have 3. I'm going to do 4. Hold on one second. Okay, so this is the first one, and the scent is coconut mango. Alright. This is the second one, and the scent is raspberry vanilla. Then I have this cupcake one, and the scent is rose gold. And then I have these lips, and the scent is cotton candy. So in order to enter, you must be subscribed to my channel. Leave a comment down below mentioning anything. Follow me on Instagram. My handle is natrosemusictomakeup, and tag a friend in any one of my pictures. So there's going to be 4 winners, and let me know if you have a preference of a scent or shape in your comment as well. So yeah, I'll be picking 4 winners. I will leave all of the rules and regulations and the date I'll be picking the winner down in the description box below. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you. I will see you next time.